I hate doing message videos on video uploading sites like YouTube, Facebook, Dailymotion, Twitter, Internet Archive, Vimeo, and many more video uploading sites, but this has to be done. Now, this is a message to I Hate Hurricane Symbol Productions, so let's get started. I Hate Hurricane Symbol Productions, I got something to say to you. You need to stop hating Hurricane Symbol Productions right now. You need to do that right now and just leave him alone. You also need to apologize to him right now, or else there will be consequences. You know what? I am this close to blocking you. So, I suggest you stop it right now, do you understand? Now quit hating Hurricane Symbol Productions, leave him alone, and apologize to him right now. You got that? Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear? Hang on, let me take a step back. Do I make myself clear? I hate Hurricane Symbol Productions. Thank you. End of message. Let me take a step back again. Thank you. End of message.